Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by preparing the tools. Microfiber cloth, 802,000 grit sandpaper, 70% or 90% isopropyl, cotton swabs. Why? Because grit progression reduces scratch depth and alcohol cleans oils that hide damage. First, use the finest wet sandpaper you have and sand in one consistent direction with minimal pressure. This evens out deep edges. Once done, wipe with microfiber to inspect progress. Make sure to stop if the plastic begins to cloud or feel hot, and switch to gentler. After initial leveling, you refine the surface by moving to 1,200, then 2,000 grit, keeping the area lubricated with a little water or alcohol. This prevents heat and reduces swirl marks. Then apply a small dab of plastic polish or toothpaste and buff in gentle circular motions with the microfiber. This restores shine by removing the microabrasions. Make sure to alternate inspection and buffing. If a scratch persists, lightly revisit the preceding grit rather than overworking the polish, because aggressive polishing removes more material than you want. To finish, you thoroughly clean the Airpods with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl, then dry completely. This removes residue and prevents moisture damage. Next, apply a thin layer of plastic restorer or a tiny bit of car wax to protect the finish and reduce future scratching. If you notice clouding, discoloration, or a deep gouge that sanding won't fix, stop immediately. Trying harder can ruin the contour. In that case, consider professional replacement or manufacturer repair to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.